let's start again in this cap. And let's turn left to the underhand cap. And then let's turn right to the overhand cap. And now let's turn left to the underhand cap. And then sweep over, step left, sweep back away from me, step left, turn to chase the sun clockwise, come up into the pinwheel, make it big 3 times, 1, and 2, and 3, then a left 360, back to pinwheel, 1, 2, 3, left 360, down into overhand weave. I cheated, I only went 270, not 360. Turn left to underhand weave, turn right to overhand weave, turn left to underhand weave, turn right to overhand weave, turn left 360 in the weave, so it's a paddle step turn back to overhand, then a right turn 360 in the overhand weave, and then to giant, and swivel clockwise, and then overhand weave on the right, underhand weave on the left, overhand weave on the right, underhand on the left, then we're going to go back to overhand, left turn 360, and then when we get to overhand, right turn 360, back to giant, back to clockwise swirl, back to giant on the right, and then turn left to underhand giant, and then breathe.